We all like to think we're the smartest person in the room, right? But human intelligence isn't just about how much trivia you know or how fast you can solve a math problem. Often, true intelligence is simply about recognizing the invisible traps our own brains set for us. So today, let's look at 5 psychological blind spots that hold people back, and, more importantly, how to fix them. Sign number 1, knowing a tiny bit about a topic and immediately assuming you're a world-class expert. In psychology, this is known as the Dunning-Kruger effect. When we first learn about a new subject, our confidence skyrockets long before we actually understand how incredibly complex it is. A truly sharp mind doesn't pretend to know everything. In fact, it's perfectly comfortable saying 4 very powerful words: I do not know. Number 2, being absolutely certain all the time. Rigid thinkers see the world strictly in black and white, good and bad, right and wrong. They treat their personal opinions as objective facts and view any disagreement as a literal personal attack. Higher intelligence means being able to entertain a thought without immediately accepting it. It's the willingness to look at the board from the other guy's perspective and change your mind when the facts change. Number 3, relying purely on common sense to solve highly complex problems. Look, common sense is great for navigating daily life, like not touching a blazing hot stove. But the modern world, psychology, artificial intelligence, they are deeply counterintuitive. Assuming that complex global systems can be solved with simple, obvious solutions usually just signals a lack of depth. Smart thinking requires systems thinking. Number 4, letting immediate emotions dictate permanent actions. When hit with bad news, sharp criticism, or just a deeply frustrating tweet, the primitive part of our brain wants to react instantly. High cognitive control means creating a gap between the stimulus and your response. It's the rare ability to pause, breathe, and let logic catch up to emotion. And number 5, an external locus of control, or as I like to call it, the everything is always someone else's fault mentality. Whether it's bad luck, the economy, or the universe plotting against you, blaming outside forces feels good because it removes responsibility. But intelligent self-improvement relies on focusing entirely on what you can control: your actions, your habits, and your mindset. At the end of the day, intelligence isn't a fixed score you're born with. It's a practice. It's about catching your brain being lazy and choosing to be curious instead. If you want to keep upgrading your mental software, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.